Scotty.
How are ya?
Is this a hot and steamy video?
Uh-huh. Look, oh God.
Why are you steaming it? Oh.
Because it takes all the, look, holy shit, all the wrinkles are gone.
Scotty, I know where you
Yeah. It's gonna take more than this to get those wrinkles out.
I'd say let's work this real good here. Like, gotta get it down.
I did.
Yeah, I've gotta keep working it though.
Well, I mean, we're only gonna get so much because it's...
You should have seen the Chrysler that Tom had, that Aussie Grant that came by the other day has now.
Oh, yeah.
You should have seen the carpet I did in that. Wes and I were steaming pools. Look at you all hot and steamy. Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be so cool. I'm liking this a lot. Like, a lot.
A lot? Yeah, so this we need to steam for sure.
Well, it's gonna be
Gotta
like
work it.
Oh yeah, I mean it's
It's gonna take a while. Like I put like 5 or 6 hours in Tom's car. I've done more than one of his carpets. There you go. Work it, girl. Scotty's in here getting steamy. Hot and steamy with Scotty.
I'm just gonna make sure that I don't.
Now on the Spice Channel. Hot and steamy with Scotty.
I can't keep it straight.
Oh my God.
Let me see if I can do it again. Hot and steamy times with Scotty. He's gonna lay your carpets.
Move your hand. God damn it.
Sorry, Ken. I couldn't help it. That was funny.
That was.
So-
Now you need to move. Get out.
Scotty's
Get out the way.
Scotty's being hot and steamy. Okay, have fun being steamy.
Well, I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. Let this settle, and we'll do it as we can. God, that's super. That's like major dry already.
Yeah, but you gotta like get it almost wet and fight it in. That's what I.
Well, the good part is we have extra carpet if we have to trim anything to make it tighter.
Well, yeah, which we're gonna need to.
But I mean, once the seats are in, that's gonna pull it nice and tight as well.
Yes.
So I just want this to do a little bit at a time, you know, so I'm not overdoing it at all.
Burnsy, you missed it.
Are you guys holding hands?
No, I was like hot and steamy time with Scotty on the Spice Channel. That's what I'm gonna title this video. All right. So you're gonna lay some carpet and get all steamy?
Yep.
Ooh, daddy. All right.